You got one man, the man watch American movie. He see gate for free. The gate fine. This man full pension for 50 years. As a piano, he go buy gate. He not build house na gate. Every day, how long they walk past front of the house? This man will get money. Yeah. One day, how long they say, today, we must rob this house. The hand robber leader call on other hand robbers. Guys, here they say we dey road, they go already, won't go wrong. They say we not go. There's someone else she go there, we say we not come back. We get where we need to rob. He show up past Baba Jebu. Now those ones they come back. One! First step for my life was even hand robber they rent sledgehammer, shovel, rake. That's the one those sanitation. Abba reached the man gate 11:30 for night. They break it. Back to picky, back to picky, back. 4:30. Gate number 4. You know some people they wake up on Lagos. People don't wake up, they don't walk. They start to greet the young master. They don't know see the young man. So now when on the one will be there, I pray and go come. God will bless you now. Abba they break it. You know people they wake up on him. Some people don't need alarm. They don't already stand for their head. That's why for money you don't see people just wake up. Wow! You go run this up and food the bath. Yes, come on! Reach bus stop. You go can't remember saying no get work. You go remember last one, go sleep. Get up like a 6:30, like it's 4. As it's 4, I'm not inside they breathe. They just see one small house, you be like, yes, security in the state. As they enter inside, they see one man sleep on top of mat. First time for my life, I see one robber they greet. They don't want the man, things are big noisy. I beg you, you don't want some professor. The man said, I just took pure water and yes, and they look at me. One robber drink water, the robber go to and say, if we come back for this our mission. Oh, you security, we will bless you. You give us water, you try. And then they ask the man, say, I beg, confess. Where the house? Where get this gate? The man said at the house with this. Now the other one say, I don't say it's just a wake up or sleep, I will just in your hand. With me say the house where get this gate where we just possible. The man said like this. Did they touch your dog that woman and then that was a okay. Maybe you don't understand the truth. And means they get this road to lead to. The man said I get the road here. Yeah, I'm not going to well, now, what do we do here? What can I do you, Oga? What can I use all your money to buy just get you one person? Okay. When we can break this gate back. Why you not wake up constant on the other side of the sun? Say, nothing there. For the level 30, we break it. Nothing. The man said, and I'm not going to believe it. I see this believing. And then the other man said like that. They hang up the man back. Out of hand. But if I need to rush, we need to come out. I prayed for Coco yesterday when army slapped police for Lagos. I think the police, policeman just look me. He said, we can't go. I said, I don't know. Policeman look again, but you tell him when they slap the waiter. The next thing I need to phone them for them because as he asked me the second time, the way the army man say look me, next time the next person will start. The army man just look me like this. We are there, the army they look the policeman tell him, now police, army slap more than the road, not the show, at the road where they shadow passenger. My two estates. He had the my two because they're not the devil place. My two estates. The tear person slap. Tell us sorry in the rain. Because he out there. First time for my life, I see me slap the return person hand before he touch the person face. We don't yet. That then I will say slap the format brain. The conductor just did like this. I just said the place fast. When the time goes over, we hear like this. My two estates, Spain. My two estates, Spain. That means I don't say Chris people plenty working for Lagos. As I said, my two estates, Spain. I just see one guy walking enter the bus, sit down. Conductor, they said, my two estates, Spain. The one where sit down, said, not to the tell the guys out there, when you reach Egypt, drop me. I know the life of my bus.